Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes, we are back. We are finally back. It's day 39, no? Tama ba? Day 39 ba? Oo, day 39 ng taong ito, ng 2025. And July na siya, no? July 9. So, um, I will be launching, sa August, I will be launching a Yaw Yaw segment, no? Although, again, Bisaya Yaw segment, or it can be part of our this July, pero parang mas gusto ko pa rin na may dalawang episodes tayo sa August, every day, no? So maka-schedule yan every single day. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin natin. So kung let's say wala na talaga akong ma-content, edi yun na lang talaga ang gagawin ko, no? Yung yaw-yaw segment, kasi to be honest with you, nakakapagod na rin kasi mag-Tagalog, and I am a pure Bisaya at heart, and pure Bisaya talaga. So yun, parang I just need to really stick to my roots, no? And become a Bisaya content creator as well, and not just Tagalog content creator, but as well as a Bisaya content creator. Mixed talaga tong channel na to. Again, this is for my vlogs kasi, so parang yeah, I just wanted to let you know na I am launching a new thing. I am launching, no? Kasi parang these are for the Bisaya lovers out there, and the Bisaya at heart, no? And the pure Bisaya din talaga, para dun talaga din. Kasi I was planning to post it sa ibang platform, but again, hindi pala pwede. So wala tayong magawa doon. I'll just have to put it here sa YouTube kasi naka-film na ako. So 1 minute episode siya, 1 minute to 3 minute episode siya, and it's like a podcast pa rin, kagaya nito na ginagawa ko. And by the way, guys, there's a lot to come pa, no? And alam kong marami pang mga blessings ang darating para sa akin, lalo na't another improvement, no, sa ating meditation station. We are now at 330 videos in a row. 330 videos in a row. Grabe, sobrang bilis ng pag-angat natin. So kaya we still have to go through the entire momentum para at least kita natin ang progress natin. Pasensya na, tingnan nyo yung eyebags ko. Ang laki talaga ng eyebags ko dahil halos wala talaga tong tulog. And lalo na ngayong araw na to, wala talaga akong tulog. Literally, since last night. Paikot-ikot lang ako sa higaan. Pasensya na kayo, guys, may mga notification ako. But paikot-ikot lang talaga ako sa higaan hanggang hindi talaga ako nakatulog the entire day, no? Parang it's a sign na magko-content creation talaga ako, as in parang the entire time I feel like I'm so tired, pero gising yung diwa ko up until this very moment. Gising pa rin siya, tingnan nyo, wala pa akong, pero nahilo-hilo na ako, sumasakit na yung ulo ko, hindi ko na kinakaya. But I cannot, of course, blame my parents. I cannot blame anyone but me. Iwan ko ba, ang nangyari kahapon? Something's making me feel like marami akong plano, no, na dapat ito pa rin. So we'll discuss that in the next couple of videos, no? Pero for now, eto lang muna, no? Again, I'm launching a new, and hindi naman improved, pero a new segment here called Yaw Yaw segment. Yaw Yaw means talk, no, in Bisaya, no? Yaw-yawan ka, talkative ka, ganun, something like that. So yaw-yaw segment is for all the Bisaya people out there, and also mga Bisaya at heart, and sa mga nakakaintindi ng Bisaya, no? Sa mga hindi po nakakaintindi ng Bisaya, pasensya na po, but that's what it is. Yan ang naisip kong content. Wala na ako ibang maisip na content kasi minsan talaga nakakapagod na rin talaga mag-Tagalog. But anyway, that's it for today, you guys. I love you all. Once again, this is your host, Rene Olish, Boy Shebron Suarez. Nakalimutan ko mag-intro, but hey, at least alam niya naman ako sino ako. It's been like 39 days in a row, 14 na bukas. I cannot imagine. I thought 30 days lang ako, but I'm now at 40 days now. So grabe, no? By the way, by the way, it's June 6. Happy Pride Month. Before ko makalimutan, no? I know this is July na, pero Happy Pride Month during this time as I shot this video. Happy Pride Month and Happy Mental Health Month. Pero ngayon alam kong July na, so it's Happy Nutrition Month pa rin. No? Happy Nutrition Month. It's a lot of greetings these past couple of months, no? But yeah, yung main naman was Flores de Mayo, so parang there's a lot of celebrations, fiestas, and events, no? Independence Day din pala, this 12th, no? Malapit na, the Independence Day, and also a birthday of by the way, no, before I forget, no, I would like to say happy birthday to one of my cousins, Nicole Chu, no? I know this is July, belated happy birthday na lang sa'yo, no? If you're watching this, belated happy birthday na lang sa'yo. I wasn't able to greet, no? Kaya I think it's best na I greet pa rin. Kasi it's better late than never. Anyway, sorry naman. It's kasi as of now that I'm shooting this, advance pa kasi siya. Di pa siya dumadating. So, anyway. Again, nag-stock tayo ng footage, ng video footage for the entire month of June. So wala na, hindi ko na na-include yon, nakalimutan ko din. But anyway, it's better late than never, di ba? Anyway, guys, yun na naman for today. Love you all. Bye-bye.